YouTube. Yo, let's see where we at, baby. Head over yard today. We ain't really looking for the 6'2" today. Came up in here to try to get a good, see if we can get a good bump off Mercedes. I'll put some headlights on, and the one that I pulled off got a little crack in it. Random had to hit something a while ago. I'm gonna try to get the bumper. It's on road 323 and road 324. While we in here, you already know I gotta see if I can run across with me a 6'2". And if I do, I gotta get that. You know that. So we just checking it out. We came here to, it's a 5'3" here. Yeah, put the hood down. I don't get tripped. That's why I still in there. Like I told y'all, I done got me that old LQ9 at the house. What I'm gonna do with the little 5'3", what I done got the reins on. I had to try to send that one to God. Y'all see it though, Trailblazer intake. This ain't no, what more this is. What more this is up in over Tahoe. $7.99 heads. Somebody back there cutting. Sound like they got spokes flying. They ain't even pulled the head that up in there. I can smell it too. We gotta hit road 323 and 324. But you know, you had to come look for that old yesterday. See if we could get us a 6'2", baby. Huh? If I get that 6'2", I had to pull that old good 5'3" out the money. Or do something with it. A little water on the ground today. Trying to get our feet wet. Here probably was a 6'0" here. How y'all doing today? Y'all get in the comments. God damn. Somebody got a little hot. Somebody got a little hot. That car here still sitting up in there. Let me go to where I gotta go so I get what I can get. So I get the hell on up out of here. Cause I really ain't feel like doing nothing today. But I gotta put my little workout bag together. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. Smash that old like button for random. Busy. I don't see that bumper. I'm just gonna throw the one that I got back on there. And be on the lookout for one. Be on the lookout for one. You can always come back and get it. Damn, this was a whole car. No, it ain't it. I see it though, but they ain't got the bumper for it. So we ain't getting no bumper today. Ain't getting no bumper. There go the car right there. They done started picking at it. Right, so got the headlights out of that too. Thinking about getting these here mirrors. I see a little damage. Say 323 and 324. But I'm gonna get these bulbs out these tail lights. And I need me a screw for these headlights. I need one of them long screws. Where is that? I need him right there, Jim. I need him, Mr. Jim. Yep, somebody that took my bumper. Oh, here go the other one right there. There go the other boy, go. Guess I'll be putting that raggedy bumper back on. I would have tried to repair it, but I don't know, gang. Let me grab the bulbs that I need and that screw. And I'll get back with you. That time I gotta look around too. Or even inside the car, they ain't put the bumper in inside the car or nothing. I needed a headrest too. Let's see what this headrest look like. If he's straight, huh? I might get that headrest too. Get the whole headrest. Use him. Use him, Mr. Jim. Use him, Mr. Jimmy. $2011. Let me get situated, y'all. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get them bulbs. And get that screw. I needed a reflector too, but they ain't got the bumper. They ain't got the bumper, so I can't get the reflector. I got some new ones though. Got some paint. I might just wait a little while, see if I can find me another bumper or find somebody that's porting out a car or something. But let me handle that. Nice looking little rough. I'll take a few. Let me grab this stuff and get with y'all a little bit, baby. Got a bullshit job, gotta let it go. I'm gonna go to 12 on it. And it's going down and then. Letting all that bullshit go. I'm letting go of the bullshit. Letting go. Letting go. God damn, look at this shit here. Oh man. That bitch don't want to come because of the seat. I'm gonna have to try to break the damn seat. It's the head rest too tall. Ain't that some shit? Head rest too tall. Even come out, shit. Damn, man. There you go. There you go, man. There you go. Got him, Jim. Let me look at. Do some research online and see what's the right terminology to tell them so I can get the best price. If they say airbag, I'm gonna call it an airbag. If headrest cheap, I'm gonna call it a headrest. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute, baby. Alright, YouTube. Unfortunately, they didn't have no bumper for me, but I was able to get an airbag and some balls for the tail lights. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Go ahead on and comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Random.